Tired of typing out commands in Fivem? Well, in this tutorial, we're going to make your life easier by showing you how to set up Keybinds in Fivem. This will let you execute commands with just a tap of a button. First, load up your Fivem game and get into a server. Once you're in game, press the escape key to bring up the game menu. This is where you'll find the settings you need for key binding. In the menu, you'll typically find an option labeled settings. Click or select that option. It's usually pretty obvious, but it might be represented by a gear icon. Inside the settings menu, look for a section called Keybinds, controls, or something similar. The exact wording might vary depending on the server or your client, but it should be fairly easy to spot. Select the part that pertains to key bindings. Now, you'll see a list of your current keybinds, probably empty, or maybe preset by the server you're on. To bind a new command, you will see a section to add a new keybind. Some require you to type in the command and then pick the key. Other games may be the reverse. Enter the command that you want to bind. Be sure you know the precise command syntax, including any spaces or parameters, as it's very important. The keybind will be a choice of keys to pick from. After you add your command and have chosen your key, save your settings. Some games have autosave, but some need you to click a save button. Now, test it out. Press the key you bound, and boom, your command should execute instantly. That's all there is to it. Enjoy your new, streamlined Fivem experience. Now go out there and efficiently enjoy your game. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a like and subscribe. See you in the next one.